Well, we're at day 6 before our grand opening there at 1146 Marigold Drive. One of the things I wanted to highlight is you're right at the foot of the base of the Sandia Mountains. You got the world-renowned Sandia Tram. So as part of our open house, we're going to be giving away 2 tram tickets. So be sure and be there, because you can't win if you're not there. So see you on October the 3rd or the 5th or 6th for our grand open house. And take care, and coming soon. Hi there, we are up at Santiago's, which is at the base of the tram. So next to the Sandia Peak tram is a fantastic restaurant called Santiago's. Also has some spectacular views. So we are giving away a $50 gift card to those who are coming to our grand open house, whether that's on the Thursday or the Saturday or Sunday for October 3rd, 5th, or 6th at 1146 Marigold Drive. Take a look at the views.